Let's talk about empirical probability. Remember, that was the kind of probability that you used experimentation to find out how probable an outcome was. As I was telling you before, as you increase the number of experiments, the experimental probability or empirical probability is going to get closer and closer to the classical or theoretical probability. And we call that the law of large numbers. So as you do more and more experiments, we expect the empirical probability to approach the classical probability. So formally, the empirical probability, if all outcomes are based on an experiment, the empirical probability is calculated using this formula. Probability for an event is going to be the number of times that the event occurred in your experimentation over the number of times you made the experiments. So if I'm looking to see how many people push the button before they cross the street, meaning trying to get the walk signal, I'm going to count how many people cross the street, how many of those people push the button, and then I'll put the button pushers over the total number of people who cross the street. That's an example of experimentation or finding empirical probability. So the probability for an event, again, whether it's been done with an experiment or done using theoretical probabilities, the probability of an event is always going to be between 0 and 1.